Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to remove the Dropbox widget from your Android home screen with a quick and simple method. Whether the widget is taking up too much space or you just want a cleaner look, removing it is easier than you might think. First, unlock your phone and go to the home screen where the Dropbox widget is located. This is the screen where you usually find your app, shortcuts, widgets, and other items. Next, place your finger on the Dropbox widget and press down. Don't just tap it. You need to long press it. After holding it for a moment, you'll notice your screen might change slightly. Some options should appear, or the widget itself will lift up slightly, indicating it's ready to be moved or removed. Now, look for the option that says Remove. This option usually appears at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your phone's make and model. Sometimes it looks like a trash bin icon, or just a simple word, Remove. Drag the widget toward that option by continuing to hold it and dragging it with your finger. Once the widget is over the Remove area, release your finger. You should see the widget disappear from your home screen instantly, meaning it's now removed. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Dropbox widget from your Android home screen. If you ever want it back, simply long press an empty space on your home screen, tap on Widgets, find Dropbox in the list, and drag the widget back onto your home screen. This method works on almost all Android phones, whether you have Samsung, Google Pixel, OnePlus, or any other brand. The key is the long press and drag to remove technique, which is the standard for managing widgets on Android devices. By removing unused widgets like Dropbox, you can make your home screen cleaner and often improve your phone's performance by reducing background activity. Thanks for watching.